Only she knows what happened. Only I can make her speak. This was enough to intrigue me to read this particular book. Hey guys, welcome back to Books Gossip. I am Mansi, again back with a new book review, and this time I am reviewing The Silent Patient by Alex, and the surname which I cannot pronounce, so let's be with Alex. So this book was not on my to be read list, but everyone, literally everyone was talking and recommending this book. The second thing which led me to read this book was this one review by the Wall Street Journal, that is impressive first novel with an ending worthy of a classic Agatha Christie mystery. And if you have seen my past videos, then you know how crazy I am about Agatha Christie. So how could I miss this one? In fact, the last week I did a comparison between the book and the movie of the Agatha Christie novel Murder on the Orient Express. If you haven't watched it, so the link for the same is in the description below. You should definitely check it out. Coming on to the plot. So the book is divided into 5 parts. Story begins with Alicia Berenson. She has killed her husband Gabriel by shooting him 5 times, and after that she never spoke a word again. It's been 6 years, and right now Alicia Berenson is at the Grove, a mental health hospital, and she has been taking treatment over there, but she is still not speaking a word. Now here enters Theo Faber, a psychotherapist who thinks that he could help Alicia, he could make her speak. He thinks this way not because he's a great psychotherapist, but he feels a connection with Alicia. Emotionally as well as mentally, as they both had a rough childhood. Now, will Theo be able to make Alicia speak? What will Alicia say? And would Theo be able to understand what Alicia is trying to convey? All these questions would be answered in this book. Coming on to the characters of the book, so there were many characters in the book, but the light was obviously on Theo, Alicia and Gabriel. Now, I've already talked about Theo. He's a psychotherapist, and before all this happened, Alicia was a successful painter and Gabriel a successful photographer. I won't talk much about the characters because that will reveal the story, and there's so much going on. If I'll mention any character, that might reveal the plot of the book. Other than all these, there were the member of the Grove, the mental health hospital. There were the family members of Alicia who are going to help Theo in solving and understanding the case of Alicia better. And then there is Theo's wife, Kathy. Lastly, there was Ruth. She played a small role, but the role was impactful as Theo's psychotherapist. Well, the book is not too long, not too short. The book is of 340 pages, and the language, I would say, is not so easy, but it's understandable. And then finally, there is the climax of the book. That was something really unexpected. I did not see that coming at all. I really loved the climax. At starting, I was reading this book slowly, and then one night I started to read it, and there was a point where the book caught my attention, and then there was no stopping. The climax, the end of the book is actually worth an Agatha Christie mystery. I completely agree with that statement now. I really enjoyed reading this book. The writing, the characters, the story, the plot, the end, everything was on point. I would rate this book 5 out of 5, and I would say that if you are reading this book, then keep going on. It's fabulous and thrilling. You're going to love it. And if you're yet to read, then irrespective you love mystery or not, read this one. You will love it. And do share your views how this book turned out for you guys. Alright guys, that's all for today. I hope the review was helpful. If you enjoyed the review, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Books Gossip. Press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. You could also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram username is right here on the screen. I post many fun reels and book aesthetics over there that would interest you guys. And don't forget, I come up with new videos on every Mondays. Until then, keep reading. Bye!